Alright, here's the Lennox running at like 5 o'clock in the morning. It's okay, it is like 5 o'clock in the morning right now, and it is like, hold on, 95, if I'm right, yeah, 95 degrees, and the heat index makes it feel like 105. So yeah, very, very hot out today. It's definitely a good day to have the Lennox running. And the dog's over there. He woke me up because he needed to go outside, and I came out here, and it is like hotter than crap. And this is all nice and cold and sweaty. You can hear the Copeland scroll compressor. And there's the upstairs window unit. And the inside of the house. Very, very hot out today. Very, very hot out. Okay, there you go. Let's read the. Oh my. Ew. Spider. That's nasty. Oh my god, that thing is huge. Is that even alive? Okay, it's alive. God. The back of this unit really needs to be clean. Okay, here's the view from the front of it. Gotta make sure, because it's very, very dewy out here. There's a lot of dew on the grass. There you go. Very, very quiet. Hear the squirrel. You can definitely hear that squirrel. Midwest disconnect. And again, it is extremely hot out. Ew, look at that thing. Ew. And I believe this has an Emerson fan motor. I'm not too entirely sure. But don't feel like going over there to check right now. I'll do that tomorrow. Yeah, let's go. Pretty sure you guys want to see the furnace. Ew, there's so many spiders. Oh my god, that thing is nasty. Alright, I'm gonna call the dog in. Too many. Charlie, come here, come on. My arachnophobia is off the charts right now. Charlie, please come in. There's so many freaking spider webs, oh my god. Here's the vent. And battery is getting low, so I have to make this quick. Here's the family room vent over here. I can feel it from over here. Very, very powerful. And the unit's right there. Oh, yeah, unit's right there. And then here is the furnace. The dog. And then the coil is obviously right here, and it's extremely cold. Come on. Jeez. He woke me up, it's like 5 in the morning right now, and he woke me up to go to the bathroom, and I know it was really hot outside, and the unit was running. So if I could make a video. And I want to see something here. Look what I got. So, I want to see how cold this gets. Here we go. Oh my god.